In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Goodreads to your WordPress post in just 5 minutes. This handy integration will allow you to seamlessly include Goodreads content into your WordPress blog, making it perfect for book reviews, reading lists, or any literary themed posts you wish to create. So let's get started on this quick and easy journey. Grab your favorite cup of tea or coffee and let's dive right into it. To begin with, go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. This is where we'll get everything set up. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, you should see a login button in the upper right hand corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you're like me and prefer to keep things simple, you can click on Continue with Google, which is a really convenient option if you're already logged into your Google account. Select the Google account you use for WordPress. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. It's straightforward and helps streamline access. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the right panel under Quick Links and find the Edit Site option. Click on that to head into your site's dashboard where the magic happens. You're essentially inside your site editor now. Next, let's go up to the top left-hand side of the page where you will see an Add button. Click on that as well. What this does is allow you to add various blocks, widgets, or features to customize your post to your liking. This process fosters creativity and ensures your blog caters to your specific needs and aesthetic preferences. In the search bar that appears, type in Goodreads. This will pull up the available block that integrates Goodreads functionality into your post. Once you see it pop up, simply click on Goodreads. From here, you can decide what Goodreads content you want to integrate, so be it a list of books you've read, are currently reading, or perhaps your Goodreads profile. And there you have it. Your WordPress post is now enriched with Goodreads content, enhancing your blog and providing a more interactive and engaging experience for your readers. This is an excellent way to connect with fellow book enthusiasts and offer them meaningful insights or share your current reads. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you now feel confident in adding Goodreads to your WordPress posts. Keep in mind that personalizing your blog with integrations like this one not only uplifts your content but also makes your blogging journey more enjoyable. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this tutorial useful. Subscribe for more how-to videos, and until next time, happy blogging and happy reading.